Hi students, how are you? I am fine and I hope that you will be fine at your home. Dear students, in previous class we have read about the housing. That means the kinds of house and the good houses. Today we shall read about the clothes because the lesson name is housing and clothing. Housing we have completed. There are different kinds of house and how can we make the house nice? How can we make our house living good? By the few features. And I have gave the homework. That means a good house. I think you have completed in your notebook. Dear students, today we shall read about the clothes. What is a cloth? The covering of our body with the fibers. These are our clothes. Dear students, why do we need clothes? Suppose. Okay, because clothes protect our body from the bad weathers, that means heat, cold, rain, etc. It protects us from the wild animals, enemies. It also makes us smart. So dear students, we have different kinds of clothes in different time, different season, different work. We wear different clothes during the seasons. You know very well, in summer season we will like cotton clothes. In winter season we will thick woolen clothes. In rainy season we wear the rainy coats. That means the clothes that protect us from water. That means rain. So dear students, we can say about the clothes. At first, we wear different clothes, different season. During winter season, we will woolen clothes. They to keep our body warm. We wear cotton clothes in summer season to protect. That means escape the heat from our body. And we know very well, in the rainy season we wear the rainy coats to protect our body from rains. Dear students, clothes are made up of a substance that is called fiber. हमारे कपड़े जो हम पहनते हैं यह different kinds of fibers के बने होते हैं. Fiber means the substance that we use to make the fibers. Okay dear students, वह वस्तु जिससे उपयोग करके हम अपना कपड़ा बनाते हैं. जैसे आपने देखा होगा, आपकी मम्मी खाना पकाती है, सब्जी पकाती है, तो उसमें different चीज चाहिए होता है. Like vegetables, spices, oil, salt, water, etc. So dear student, fibers are of different kinds. Different kinds of cloth we make. We will use different kinds of fiber. There are mainly two kinds of fiber. There are mainly two kinds of fiber. At first, natural fiber and man-made fiber. What do you mean by natural fiber? Natural fiber means the fiber that we get from nature. How do we get from nature? That means like jute, cotton, wool, we get from nature. Nature means the natural things that give us the fiber. Natural things, plants are natural things, you know very well, all living things are natural things. So we get from plants, and also animals are natural things. That means it is also living beings, that you know very well, all living beings are natural things. So the fiber that we get from the natural things, these are natural fiber. We get fibers from plants. At first, the plants. We get cotton to make the clothes. Cotton are get from the cotton plants. Yes, dear friends. Cotton plant, how do we get cotton? From the ball of cotton's fibers. After that, some other, like a flax plant, also give us fiber to make the clothes. And dear student, you know the jute that are found in our locality also. So we get jute from the jute plants. And also dear student, we get some natural fiber from animals like wool and silk. wool from sheep, yak, and other animals that live in polar region. They have a thick coat of fur that we use to make the clothes. That we use to make the fiber of wool. After that, dear student, silkworm, you know very well, kinds of insect that give us cocoon to make the fiber that we use to make the silk clothes. Dear students, today we shall read. After that, the natural fiber after synthetic fiber. That means man-made fiber. The fiber that is made by the human beings by some materials, these are man-made fiber. That means like polyester, like synthetic clothes, like terling, like flax plant also give us fibers. We use some materials, some petroleum things to also make the fiber. These are very strong, but they catch fire easily. Natural fibers are the fiber that cannot catch the fire easily. Yes, friends, how do we wear clothes, and which kind of clothes we wear? At first, clothes will wear according to their age. It is very important. Suppose you are 10 years old, can you wear the dhoti kurta? No. According to age, our grandfather will wear the dhoti kurta. We will wear half pant shirts, full pant etc. According to work. Yes, friends, what do you mean according to work? That means you are a student. You have to wear uniform. The person who are scientists wear the special suits. The people who are workers, they wear different, their kinds of clothes. People who work in different places, who work in flights, who work in under the ground, they wear different kinds of clothes. So we know we wear clothes according to our age, according to our work, according to our place also. How can I say that according to place? That means, dear students, the people live in cold region, we are always wear the woolen clothes, and the people live in some hot region, we wear the light cotton clothes. Clothes are also depend to their locality. Yes, dear student, you know very well, in India there are different states, that means 27 states, 9 union territories. So according to their place also wear the clothes. That means in Kerala people wear the dhoti, in Punjab people wear pajama kurta, in people wear live in Nagaland, they wear the kimonos. So dear student, clothes are also depend on their locality, tradition. After that, dear students, according to season, we know very well. In winter season, we wear the woolen thick clothes, and in the summer season, we wear light cotton clothes. According to occasion, yes, dear students. If you are going to party, you will wear the very special clothes to help the parties, coat, pant, sherwani, etc. Ladies wear saris, special clothes. Dear students, at first we have to know what is uniform. Why uniform is necessary to wear? Uniform is similar. That means, dear students, a same kind of clothes worn by the same kind of people that work in same place. एक जगह पे एक ही जैसा काम करने वाला आदमी जब एक ही जैसा ड्रेस पहनेगा तो उसको हम क्या कहेंगे? यूनिफॉर्म. यूनिफॉर्मिटी मीन्स इक्वलिटी. इट इज नेसेसरी, क्योंकि हम जानते हैं अगर हम स्कूल में डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ क्लॉथ पहन करके आएंगे तो क्या होगा. आप सभी जानते हैं कि हमारे यहाँ की इकोनॉमिक स्थिति सबों की भी डिफरेंट है, तो इसमें डिस्क्रिमिनेशन होगा. क्या डिस्क्रिमिनेशन हो सकता है? किसी के पास बहुत महंगे कपड़े होंगे, किसी के पास बहुत सस्ता कपड़ा हो, किसी के पापा जी के पास बहुत पैसा तो बड़ा सा कपड़ा, अच्छा सा कपड़ा बनाएंगे. बट डियर स्टूडेंट, यूनिफॉर्म मेक अस equal. That means not people wear the different kind of clothes. It shows the equality of the people. So dear student, we know about the clothes, about the houses. Dear students, now we are going to recall it. At first, a house protects us from heat, cold, rain, wild animals, and thieves. You know thieves? The people who steal the things. जो आदमी चीजों को चुरा लेता हो, that is thief. A good house should be where neated doors. Neated means साफ सुथरा. आप अपने घर को हमेशा साफ सुथरा रखोगे, कभी भी गंदा नहीं करोगे. Yes, dear friends. Enough विंडोज, ज्यादा से ज्यादा खिड़कियां होंगी तो आपके रूम में क्या होगा? ज्यादा से ज्यादा एयर और सनलाइट पहुंच पाएगा. ओपन स्पेस नियर योर हाउसेस, इट इज नेसेसरी. प्रॉपर ड्रेनेज सिस्टम, पानी का सही से उसमें निकालना होगा. गुड हाउस शुड बी नीट एंड क्लीन. ओके डियर स्टूडेंट, आफ्टर दैट डियर स्टूडेंट, वी हैव रेड अबाउट द क्लोथ्स. व्हिच काइंड ऑफ क्लोथ वी वियर, which type of cloth we wear in different season, according to age, according to place, according to areas. So dear student, we have completed this lesson. Now I am going to give you some homework. Dear student, page number 19, that means MCQs. That means tick the correct option. D number, fill in the blanks. C, true, false, and D, answer the question. Dear students, you have 3 homeworks. That means tick the correct option, fill in the blanks, and write T for true and F for false. Page number 19. And tomorrow, that means next class, we will discuss about the question answer of this lesson. Dear students, you have to complete this homework in your notebook. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.